Good morning, students. This morning we are studying about children with various types of disabilities. Today we had started chapter 4 Physical Education Sports for CWSN Children with Special Need or Divyang. Children with various types of disabilities such as mental retardation, deafness, or other hearing impairment, speech or language impairment, blindness, orthopedic impairment, autism, traumatic brain injury, poor body mechanism, health impairment have the right to develop their abilities in democratic society through the process of education. Education is the only way, students, by which we can help the children with various types of disabilities. It may be the duty of school to provide them with such opportunities so that they develop their abilities. Because in school we have various functions for them, various articles, and various resources for them that they can develop their abilities with the help of special B.Ed teachers. Such children are unable to undertake activities that are performed by normal children that are performed by normal children. In addition to the regular program of physical education designed by normal children, the school must provide special physical education program for such children who are unable to receive benefit for regular physical education program. So it is very important, students, that they should also have a proper physical education program. They are encouraged to take part in physical activities like various game according to them that are modified. Meaning of adapted or adaptive physical education. The word itself means when we something adapt, we take, we adapt something. A diversified program of development activities. What are those activities? The activities that are games, sports, and rhythms suited to their interest. According to them, we have to make according to them. Capabilities and limitation of students with disabilities who may not safely or successfully engage in unrestricted participation in general physical education program. Why they are unable to participate in general physical education program? Because here we are, you should know that we are talking here about children with various types of disabilities, and These disabilities can be of hearing impairment, language impairment, blindness, and mental retardation. So, while going through this program of physical education, we should know what they are. Adaptive physical education is the physical education which has been adapted or changed so that it may be appropriate for differently abled person. We had changed, suppose an example, we can change the game of football according to them. We can make goal post according to them. We can make it more creative according to their interest, knowing how much students are there differently able. We can change it. It can be stated that adapted physical education is basically a specified designed physical education program. Specified or specially designed physical education program for differently abled student. Adapted physical education provides safe, personally satisfying and successfully experience of physical activity to children who are differently abled. In fact, it is a direct service, not a related service. It can be applied for infants and even toddlers who need intervention service because of development delays in physical, cognitive, communication, social, and emotional aspects. Physical education, students' physical education is not only for differently able infants but also for the people of all the ages. Now we will see what is the aim. What is the aim of adaptive physical education? We had came to know the meaning of adapted or adaptive, that when we adopt and we change according to their interest. And what is the aim now? The aim of adaptive physical education is to help or aid differently able student to achieve physical, mental, and social proportionate to their potential through a special planned program of regular physical education and recreational activities. We can students achieve by physical education. Why? Because physical education play an important role in their emotional growth, in their physical growth, and in their social growth. That's why physical education program of regular physical educational and recreational activities, that student of these disabilities can also enjoy and be beneficial by physical activities. Objectives we had seen, aim, that how we can fulfill their dreams by the help of physical education. objectives: develop motor skill, because motor skill, as you know, students, motor skill play a significant role for growth and development of physically disabled student to become active and agile. To become active and creative, there is a need of development of motor skill. Improve physical fitness. To improve the physical fitness of differently able students is another vital object to adapt physical education. In fact, modified or adaptive exercise are provided in the program of adapted physical education to improve physical fitness. Here we are especially talking about how we can change physical education activities, even PTs, and physically related exercise according to the need of that child. Motivate students to protect themselves. Motivate students to protect themselves. Important objective of adaptive physical education is to motivate differently able students to protect themselves under any condition that may be aggravated through certain physical activity. Promote sportsmanship qualities. To promote sportsmanship qualities among differently able students, it is also one of the major objective physical education participation in adapted physical education program naturally improve sportsman quality. Improve, develop good knowledge of mechanics. By physical education, it is very important. Another important objective of adaptive physical education, through physical education, it can help each individual to develop knowledge and senses of appreciation with regard to good body mechanics. With the help of physical education, ensure services to meet special need. With the help of physical education, it is to ensure that a differently able is provided with physical education services. And what are those services? Maybe by involving them in a recreational game, create physical education program according to their need and interest. Students without interest, they will not take part. We are here not talking about a regular child participating or a physically fit child participating in a sports and games. We are talking here about various kinds of disabilities students. How we can ensure the services that help, that really help in upliftment of their needs and how they will be benefited with physical education, exercise, games, sports, motor development, enhance self-esteem and self-image, enhance self-esteem and self-image. With the help of physical education, all students can do activities according to their abilities. Why they are doing according to their abilities? Because in such a way the physical activity has been planned. We had set goals for the students. Suppose for example to throw a ball for suppose 25 times. If they perform it easily, after certain period of time, their goal can be set higher. Their goal can be set higher. If the goals are set are realistic, then student can achieve them by working on their motor skills. Motor skills thus increase their self-esteem and self-image among themselves. So students, the aims is very important. Aims and adaptive of physical education and improves social adjustment among various students. Differently able students is another objective of adaptive physical education. Adjustment are essential, especially in today's society. Adjustment with the regular students or when they are studying in inclusive education, participating in programs of physical education helps differently able students to make social adjustment with other students or with their class fellows. And why social adjustments are very important, we had seen that because social adjustments also enhance their self esteem and self image, and by adjusting in a society, adjusting among the students when they participate in different levels of sports and games, they can improve themselves and improve their abilities through physical education.